Yep, she's still a diva and she's still got attitude. You want to come out? If you want to come out, you're going to have to behave. You got to be nice. You got to be nice if you want to come out. This is Jasmine, my Xantic Caramel Coastal. And boy, what an attitude she has when she wants to. She's a beautiful girl, though. She eats like a horse. She never refuses food. It's a camera. You don't need to attack my camera. No, you don't. Talk to your snakes. They're not dumb. They can hear you. People think they can't hear. That's crap. That's just a total crap. My snakes all know their names by sound. Don't strike my camera, please. It's my new cell phone. You want to come out? You want to come out? You're not eating. You just ate last night. Want to come out? You can come out. You can behave. Can you be a good girl? You want to come out? She still has these freak out attacks, spells I call them. Out of nowhere, she'll just start striking at the air and anything around her, but she's greatly reduced in doing that. She doesn't do it as often, but she's very unpredictable sometimes. You can't always see it coming and she'll strike at you, but it's a matter of working with her every chance I get to get her past that point of wanting to attack everything. She's a beautiful girl. I do pictures and videos of my snakes that I got from readers to keep them updated on how they're doing. So I'm making this for Travis from Living Legless Reptiles. She's a beautiful girl. She's just a diva. She got attitude sometimes. She's getting really big. She's over 3 feet long now. This is for Riley. Riley is a man when it comes to carpet pythons. Definitely. Look at you. We gotta get you past that attitude. Yeah, we do. You're over a year old now. We're about a year, right at a year of age. And you should be getting past this. But she's so pretty. But she just has this attitude once in a while. She doesn't want anything to do with anybody. And then all of a sudden, she has a fit if you try to put her back in her enclosure. So she's really got a shifty personality. I call her bipolar, but she isn't really. She's just still young and learning. Can I turn it around the other way without you attacking me? Don't attack me. I'm not going to hurt you. No, you can get right out of strike posture. You can get right out of strike posture. Yes, you can. You can calm right down. There, see? Relax. If you want to come out, you can if you can be a good girl. You want to come out? You want to come out? Huh? If you want to be good, you can come out. I know you want to. But you can't decide whether or not you want to strike my camera or come out. Which one means the most to you? What are you doing, Jasmine? That tongue going 1,000 miles an hour. Look at you, you diva. She's like, I'm feeling kind of vulnerable now. There's not a top on here and she's not reaching for me, so something's wrong. She's trying to figure out what's different. I put her in a different tote. Usually I have her in a clear one and she can't see through this one, so she's a little confused. They do get confused when things change. It's not always a bad thing. Most times it's good for them to learn to cope with change, but she's just not sure how she feels about this because she's in a different tote. And they do notice little things like that. The slightest change you make, they notice it. They're not dumb animals. I don't know why people think they are, but they're definitely not. But I just want to do an update video on Jasmine to show it to Travis. And show her off to Riley, because Riley had his doubts about her care when she was a very young baby. But I just want to show Riley she's still a good eater. She doesn't overeat, and she's a very strong, beautiful girl. Riley, if anyone I ever wanted information from or need advice from for carpet pythons, it would be Riley. She's confused. She doesn't know what to think because she's in a different tote. So they got her confused right from the start because I usually have her in a clear one. So she's thinking and reasoning. Is it safe for me to come out? Because this isn't the tote I'm usually in when you bring me out. They do have a thinking process. Oddly enough, most people find it hard to believe, but they do rationalize their sense of reasoning. They sort things out. They are thinking machines, technically. They're always calculating. You would be too if you were always at a disadvantage. And you always felt vulnerable and threatened by everything around you. You have to think. You have to learn to resolve things. That's what she's doing. She's trying to decide if she trusts coming out or not because I put her in a different tote. So she's, right at this point, she's not sure why I've got her in something different. So she's trying to figure out what's, she knows it's different, but she doesn't know why. Just want to show people they're not dumb animals by no means. People that think they are, you shouldn't have them if that's what you really believe, because it's not true at all. Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. What's the matter, honey? All my snakes know their names. Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Mama. Hi, pretty girl. So I know my name. My name's Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. And they know something's different if you change your voice tone. They can hear that good, that they can distinguish in the voice tone change. Oh, I think she's decided to come out and try it. The cat's on the bed, though I'm not sure that's a good idea, but I don't want you biting Apollo on the nose.